Hey everyone, if you've ever tried opening Discord on your PC and it just won't start, you know how frustrating that can be. But don't worry, I've got a few easy fixes that usually get it running again in no time. So first, simply try restarting your PC. So sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes. If that doesn't work, simply check your internet connection and make sure your Discord isn't being blocked by a firewall or antivirus. And another quick trick is to run Discord as an administrator. So just right click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. If it still won't open up, you can also try clearing the Discord cache by pressing Windows plus R at the same time. Then type in %appdata %/discord. Then finally delete the cache folder. And if all that doesn't work, reinstalling Discord often fixes the issue completely. So just download the latest version from the official website and install it again. And after trying these steps, Discord should open normally and you'll then be back chatting with your friends in no time. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.